Today we are going to make something healthy, a healthy latte. Now this is called matcha. Many of you already know what a matcha is. This is similar to green tea. They say 10 cups of green tea is equal to 1 cup of matcha because it has health benefits, a very good antioxidant, and it is very healthy, and it calms you, gives you good sleep, and it cleans your whole body system. There are a lot of health benefits. Just read about it. I'm not a health specialist, so I'm not going to speak much about it, but today we are going to make a latte out of this. I got this off Amazon. You could buy any. I bought the sweet matcha for one reason, because matcha has some particular taste which you may not like it, and you may have to add some stevia. If you are doing keto diet, I strongly suggest you to buy matcha, which is where there is no sweet added to it. You get the plain matcha as well. So use that, and you can add stevia or erythritol or any other sweetener, and you could make good matcha latte. So I'll be using Breville Barista Express to make the sweet matcha latte. So let's go to the machine. To make matcha latte, all you need is milk. It can be 2% of full milk, the matcha powder, and a cup. That's it. So first thing, I'm going to dispense some water, and I'm going to take 1 teaspoon of sweet matcha, and then we'll make this. So 1 teaspoonful. And then switch on the Breville to the water dispense mode, hot water. So you'll see hot water. That's all you need to add. Maybe 1/4 cup. That should be good. Now you need to mix this thoroughly. So take a spoon and give a nice stir. And make sure you don't see any clumps. Okay, that looks good. So I'm going to froth the milk now. So I took some milk just below the spout there, and let's froth the milk. Okay, it's getting warmed up. Okay, that's good. Now, before pouring the milk, I would stir this matcha drink again. And now you could pour. Okay, so your drink is ready. So it's so easy to make matcha latte. And I'm going to taste this. Let's see how it is. Tastes super. I feel like I'm tasting some ice cream. Okay, because I bought the sweet matcha. I tried the one which is not sweet and it tastes so bad. Okay, I didn't like it. Maybe the initial go. Maybe because I'm not used to that. But I'm sure you will get that taste. It's an acquired taste. So if you buy the one without sugar, you may like it after a few days. Give it a try. I like a bit sweet, so that's why I bought this version. I'm so glad I bought this sweet version because I'm able to drink and it tastes so good. Now make sure you get the Japanese matcha. You could get other matcha from different countries, but Japanese matchas are the best and the original. And make sure you get the organic, and I'll show you a close-up of the content. This is non-GMO and these are the content. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that like button, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. I would really appreciate that. I'll be posting more videos related to coffee, and it's springtime and it's soon going to be summer. I'll be posting a very nice and healthy summer drinks and teas. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Bye for now.